Okay, wake up guys. Here we want to learn how to edit a message that has been sent on WhatsApp. So I need to inform you also that to use this feature, update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So go ahead now, update your WhatsApp to the latest version and learn how to edit a message on WhatsApp. So let us see how to do that. Open WhatsApp and then you can type a message, like for instance, here's a message. Now this message is typed wrongly, so we want to actually type it correctly. What you do is that you long press on the wrong message, then you look up the three dots for menu on the top right corner, press it, then you can see the menu there. Among the listed items you see edit, tap on edit, then you go back to the message that you typed wrongly, edit it now, and then you can now resend the message. Right, so we now have the correct message sent. Remember, the wrong message sent can be edited rather than deleted. What you do is to long press the wrong message like this one. You sent the wrong message, so I'm taking it again so that you can see. Long press the wrong message, go to the menu bar on top right hand corner, you see edit, then you edit the wrong message, then you can resend. Can you see that? Alright, you can do the same for a group chat. For instance, I have a group chat here I'm going to use to demonstrate that. You see this? So this is a message sent now. Okay, you see that? You see that the message is wrong, so we can, using the same method, long press the message, the wrong chat, top right hand corner, you see menu there, the three dots, tap on edit, then you edit, you go back to the message from there, you edit it and resend. So what you now notice is that when you are sending the resent, daily it is sent. WhatsApp now WhatsApp has time of edit. Now you can see this. Let's see the message. Okay, you see that this is the correct message, and then WhatsApp has the time of edit. Edited time is attached to the new message. Now if you edit it a second time, perhaps it is still not correct, you can still edit it using the same method. Now press the message, tap on the three dots, which is the menu on top right hand corner, then you go to edit it again, alright. You can send it now, alright. So you will see that the edited time still remains the first time we edited it. That is what WhatsApp registers for the message. So that's how to do it. Now I want you to please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to make similar videos like this, please make a comment. I will read your comments. I will personally read all your comments and respond. Thank you.